Mina no Nihongo Lesson 25 Part 1 Vocabulary 1 Kangaimasu Think, consider. Erai no koto o yoku kangaete kara daigaku o kimememasu. Thinking about my future, I decide which university to enroll in. Second, sukimasu arrive. Ashita no gogo made sukimasu. I will reach by tomorrow afternoon. Third, torimasu. Toshi o torimasu. Grow old. Watashi no chichi wa toshi o totte mo 88 歳になりました. My father is growing old. He is already 88. Fourth, tarimasu. Be enough, be sufficient. 時間が足らなかったから試験を全部書けませんでした. I couldn't finish my writing the paper because I fell short of time. Fifth, inaka. Countryside, hometown. 来月田舎へ行くつもりです. I plan to go to my hometown next month. Sixth, chance, chance. これは私にとって大きなチャンスだ. This is a very big chance for me. Seventh, oku, 100 million. 地球はおよそ15億年前に生まれたという書いてあります. The earth was born approximately 5,000 million years ago, or so it is written here. 8. Moshi, Tara, if. もし暇ならちょっと手伝ってくれませんか? If you are free, could you please help me out? Ninth, 意味 meaning. この言葉どういう意味ですか? What is the meaning of this word? Grammar point 1 Plain past form ra main clause. Attaching ra to the past tense plain form of verb, adjectives or nouns makes their conditional the clause that follows it the main clause. Describe with what will happen if the conditional clause were true. The speaker's opinion, wishes, invitation, request, etc. can be expressed in the main clause. Example, お金があったら旅行します. If I had some money, I would go for traveling. Example second, いい天気だったら散歩しませんか? Shall we go for a walk if the weather is nice? Expression of which desire, invitation, request, and so on cannot be used in the clause, the main clause following by to. コンサートに行きます intention. コンサートに行きたいです wish. コンサートに行きませんか invitation. ちょっと手伝ってください request. Grammar point second. Verb ta form ra main clause. The pattern is used to express that a certain action will be done or certain situation will arise on the completion or occurrence of a matter, action or state of that speaker is certain will happen. Example, 10時になったら出かけましょう. Shall we go out once it get 10 o'clock?